Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Silo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. So Mamkhize has responded to rumors and allegations that she has visited the dangerous criminal Thabo Bester in prison. You guys, this comes after reporter and journalist Karen Moore tweeted that Thabo Bester was visited by South African female celebrities while he was first incarcerated. Karen later had to clarify through this tweet, saying that she was not referring to Dr. Mamkhize. Also, Mamkhize went to her Instagram and posted this video distancing herself from Thabo Bester. This is what she had to say.
Bathong ngivusa uthi asimelane manje kuseni uthi gijima uye ku-Twitter guys ngiqeda ukuyishayela Cape Town City kabuhlungu kabi izona inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu lingenaphi igama lami Thabo Bester guys ngicela usisi bandla womlungu tell the country who is the well-known celebrity involved. But again guys, hey, does this mean I'm the only well-known celebrity in South Africa? That's the only thing you can do for me and talk about. Just go buy my book and support me. And stop putting me in these things that I'm not involved in. Thabo Bester this, Thabo Bester that. Just go.